Amid allegations of corruption involving lawmakers, Vice President Sara Duterte expresses belief that the government is no longer stable. Duterte on Monday, September 29, faced the Senate Finance Subcommittee for the budget deliberation of her office's proposed 902.8 million peso budget. The panel swiftly approved the budget in less than an hour. In a press conference at the Senate, Duterte stresses that institutions are supposedly being abused. She cites recent testimonies in congressional hearings about alleged corruption in government infrastructure projects.
No, ma'am, no. Our institutions are clearly abused. They are used for personal gain. They are used for personal gain, and we have already seen the testimony of witnesses about corruption, and there is practically nothing happening in our country. Ilang ulit ko na yan sinasabi noon na tigilan yung politika, tigilan yung pag-una ng pansariling interes kasi walang nangyayari sa ating bansa. Meron ba kayong nakikita at all na project na nakatulong sa ating bayan? Wala.
According to the Vice President, she had expected the Marcos administration to continue the projects and programs started by her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte.
In fact, we ran on the platform of unity and continuity. Ang expectation noon is that there will be continuity on the projects like the build projects of the former administration at yung mga iba pa na nasimulan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, pero wala naman tayong nakita.
Asked about the morale of the armed forces of the Philippines, Duterte refuses to comment.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako makapagsalita sa moral ng mga sundalo. Siguro mabuti ba ang word na magsalita patungkol sa moral is sila na mismo ang magsabi.
The armed forces of the Philippines earlier denied rumors circulating online about a supposed coup plot backed by the Central Intelligence Agency. The supposed coup plot allegedly involved Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro and the military to remove President Bongbong Marcos. The AFP called the allegations dangerous disinformation. Meanwhile, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro dismisses the Vice President's remarks, calling them lies.
Isang malaking kasinungalingan na naman to. Alam natin na matatag ang ating gobyerno, ang pamahalaang administrasyong Marcos Jr. Ito ay ginigiba lamang ng mga obstructionist na tulad nila. Malamang hindi nila nakikita anong ginagawa ng Pangulo dahil bulag sila. Nagbubulag-bulagan, nakapikit ang mata.